Hey guys, it is Greg again. We got slaughters going on in the YouTube verse in cryptocurrency, and they're all saying everything's down, down, down. So okay, guys, I'm letting you know, man, don't panic. If you are not in any coins, you have a good strategy, or if you're shorting the market, you might even have a better strategy. You just went through all that, you have even better strategy, and you might have a little bit of know what you're doing there. But if you are on the sidelines right now, you're positioning yourself very, very well for this next little bit of upcoming correction to be able to get these any of these coins at a discount, in my opinion. So, all right, guys, no worry to panic. I do think there's going to be a little bit more downside. Target area on Bitcoin, it's at the top of my target area on Bitcoin. I'm not going to go to the chart right now. I'll go over that maybe a little bit later. And I want to see if it goes down to, I'm expecting $30,000, just to let you know, guys, somewhere in that area, and then maybe even down to 28, okay? But I have the Fantom chart, and I was looking at it. We're looking at it on the weekly, and you can see, there's a lot of bad news. Fantom is bad, is what I keep hearing. But look at this weekly chart, guys. Look at the overall big picture of the weekly chart. Look at that. Doesn't look like a crap coin to me. Let's see. From 0.001 cent to $3.70. Let's say you were late to the party and you joined at 2 cents. 18,000%. Now the question is the correction over? I don't think so, guys, okay? This is the weekly, and let's just get a retrace. Let's see what the retrace is, okay? We take it off log. It's like that, guys, you see? Here's the bottom of wave 4. So I still think that, in these areas down a lot lower. So what I'm looking for on Fantom is I would like to see it'll probably swing back up a little bit since it's come down so much, and then swing back down. But you see this area right here, that's the bottom of wave 4. Here's the top of wave 3. It's in that area right now, and these coins like to come into the previous wave 4 correction. So I'm looking for that area. Now, I'm not saying that Fantom's going to go down to 15 cents, but it could wick down there. But usually right in that area, the bottom end of that wave 4 is going to be a really, really area that I'm looking. So 25, maybe 35, 50 cents or something like that. It's almost down to the 50-cent area. As a matter of fact, it got down to 60 cents even. So maybe another swing down, up, and then back down. A good event, and then it'll come back down in that area. I just don't think that Fantom is quite deep enough yet. Just a little bit more and coming in my box. So that's kind of what I'm looking for on that coin. So let's take a look at the RSI. The RSI is coming nice and deep on the weekly. Let's look at it on the daily. Came down nice and deep. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's nice and deep on the daily right there. So, and then, before you get in Fantom, obviously before you get in Fantom, you want to see where it's going to come to, and then you're going to want to get a confirmation. You want to see something off the bottom like this, guys. That's the wrong thing. That's my corrective stuff. You want to see something like this off the bottom, a move like that, okay? And it's going to swing back down in an aggressive second wave like this, guys. What you're gonna see right there in that area. Make sure it doesn't go below that area is what you're gonna see on Fantom. So just like that, okay? So this is just the overall picture of Fantom, of what it's doing. It looks like a nice 3-wave move down, but I do suspect it's coming up. That has on this daily, it does have some bullish divergence. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something like, let's say, it came down here and does a bounce. something like this, another bounce, and then back down into here, something like that. That's what I'm going to guess, make an estimate on Fantom. So, and then that area, this is the area you want to start scoping out Fantom. And then even more people will be saying, "Ah, it's a scam chain. It's no good. It's going to just keep going and going and going." So that area right there would be the area, you know, if it goes beyond that, and that's pretty deep, guys, you know, you're looking at 15 cents, but that would be the area. So now let's say Fantom's in the middle of the box, 27 cents. What kind of move can we expect after that? Let's see here. Take a look at Fantom. Now this is these are crazy levels, guys, so I can't use that on Fantom, but get something a little more realistic here. A move on Fantom. You know, first target area, I'd be looking at Fantom. That'll take it a while, guys, so don't expect to be down here to get up there in like 2 months. So, okay, it's going to go choppy, choppy, choppy. You know, it's going to be slow to start, and then eventually it'll start working its way up there after everything comes back. But, you know, these would be the areas I'd be looking at Fantom, $6 and $10, okay, for something like a coin like this. It could even go higher, 13, and then a $16 area. So with Fantom, you'd be looking at some significant gains. So let's say 26 cents, you know, break that previous high. You're looking at a 10x and then a potential 20x and a potential 34x. So $1,000 in Fantom right here. So you have $1,000 in Fantom. You bought at 25 cents, more or less. Will turn into 10,000. That'll turn into 18,000. And that will turn into, is that right? Yeah, almost $30,000 right there. I think that would be right. Yeah. So there you go, guys. All right. That's kind of what I'd be expecting. And I think that anybody who understands the cryptocurrency markets and what's going on in the markets right now is going to realize that a coin like this, if you position yourself correctly and understand the markets a little bit more, the DXY, the USDC coin, what's going on, and position yourself very good in this coin, you'll be able to make a ton of money with Fantom, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Peace.